This segment is sponsored by the Real Estate Top Performers. The real estate market is hotter than anyone expected, and we spoke to Pam Schiattareggia from the Sondra and Pam team with Compass Realty, who has some tips for buyers and sellers. And Randy Wright from the Mortgage Link has a special offer for those looking to buy. Let's check it out. Randy and Pam, so good to see you guys. Welcome back to Great Day Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Randy, I want to start with you. What's the deal of the day? What you got for us?
Well, the deal of the day is a 30-year fixed, $500,000 conforming purchase loan at 2.375% with 1 point and an APR of 2.492%. 760 credit score. Call us for questions.
A great deal for everybody. And I hear a lot of people are talking about refinance. Where are we with that? What are you hearing?
Yeah, so it seems like everybody's talking about the refi market, but the purchase market is really hot right now. And that's why we brought our expert Pam on here. She's a top producing agent in the Washington, D.C. area to talk about what's going on in the purchase market. Pam?
Well, it is definitely, the market's been very hot, unexpectedly so. But it's turned out to be a blockbuster year. The market's up almost 12.5% over last year.
Wow.
And the median list price is up 11% over last year. So people listing their homes are able to list them at a little bit higher price. You may ask what this means for buyers.
Right.
I say seize the day and the rate, because that's what's driving buyers right now. That, and there's a couple factors, but the historically low interest rates being the main driver, and it allows buyers to buy more home for less. Their monthly payments are less, but they can buy at a higher price point than they would have prior to this time. So people spending more time at home this year, obviously, so buyers' needs have changed. It's made them more aware of the inadequacies of their own home, actually, and making them think they really want to make a change. And a shift's kind of occurred with things that people wanted before, like they want to be near the metro. Now they want to be near a park.
Right.
They don't want to be in a building in the city as much as now they want to go to the suburbs. Before we were experiencing a little bit of movement from the suburbs to the city. So that's been a big flip-flop. Buyers basically think they need more space. Their kids are home, live in the classroom time. They need a Zoom room for kids. They need an office, 1 or 2 offices, depending. And more importantly, outdoor space. Homes with pools are selling so quickly this year when sometimes that wouldn't be the case.
Right.
So it's really changed a lot over the year.
So you mentioned seizing the day, and I'm seeing people post that their homes are selling a lot faster. The closing process is going a lot faster.
One thing I wanted to mention is that it's also very strong selling market too, as you mentioned, and because of the fact that there is lower inventory, right. So there's fewer listings, but that means it increases the buyer demand. And so as a seller, there's more buyers competing for your property. And so that leads into multiple properties, which then drives the sales price up higher. But in many cases, homes are selling faster and for more money than they did a year ago. And we're seeing 7 in 10 homes are selling in under 30 days. So
that's amazing. Randy, I mean, it's just kind of it's a new world out there, new territory out there.
Yeah, it is. We're seeing a lot of the purchase market. The selling agents are demanding, 30-day closings and sometimes less. I had 3 purchase transactions come in earlier this week, all had a November 20th deadline, which is less than 30 days. So it's putting a lot of demand, not only on the buyers and sellers, but on the lenders as well to meet those timelines. But that's one of the great things about working here at the Mortgage Link. We're able to underwrite our loans in-house, and we've got a great team of processors and a fabulous operations department, so we can meet those deadlines, for agents like Pam and the rest of them out there.
Yeah, you're working hard to get everybody into their dream home, and the team is so important. Pam and Randy, so thank you so much for being here and keeping us up to date on the real estate market.
Thank you
for having us.
So the deal of the day is right there on your screen. Call now and Randy's team at the Mortgage Link will get you started toward your dream home. The number to call is 833-MTG-LINK, and be sure to follow the Real Estate Top Performers on YouTube.